Please say your name, please.
Ted Ballinger.
But repeat it like with, my name is...
My name is Ted Ballinger. I'm a foundation repair specialist with Dalinghaus Construction. I've been a foundation repair specialist for quite a while now, worked for a couple different companies, and super happy with Dalinghaus Construction now. The reason I really like working for Dalinghaus Construction is we really focus on the customer. We don't try and focus on how much money we can make for each sale. We find what the issue is, present a solution to fix that problem, and give them a permanent solution. Working for Dalinghaus Construction here in Arizona, we have a lot of issues we deal with. Arizona has a very clay, porous, rocky soil, so foundations are constantly shifting, which brings a lot of issues. In addition to that, we do get some heavy monsoon rains that cause issues as well. What's great about working for this company here in Arizona is we can do it 365 days a year. So one of the reasons I've been very successful working for this company is I approach every appointment like, what do I do if this is my sister, my mom, or my cousin? What would I do or suggest to help them fix their home? And by doing it that way, I actually just come across very genuine and really find the issue and fix the problem for them. So most recently, we helped a customer down in the Gilbert, Arizona area. She'd had several other companies out there trying to address this issue and still wasn't resolved. We went out there, assessed the situation, came up with a repair plan that made sense to her and moved forward with repairs. Just last week she called me and she told me this is the first time she's slept through the night in the last 3 years with no creaking, no popping in her house. That made me feel really good about what we did for her. So a lot of times when I'm visiting these customers, they're really going through one of the worst periods of their life. I mean, no one wants to deal with serious issues on their home, especially foundation issues. When we can address that issue and actually fix it correctly for them, and they realize that their houses are going to cave in or fall apart and we're going to fix it permanently for them, it's the best feeling in the world. I mean, the relief on these customers' faces sometimes when I show what we can do and how little it's going to actually cost them, I mean, it's a reward right there. So these customers are visiting their home is probably the most expensive asset they've ever had in their entire life. So when they're looking at the prospect that there's serious issues in the house, like it may be coming down or the foundation may be cracking or settling, it's devastating. And I know that going into them. So one of the things I try and do is just be very calm and reassuring and let them know that this is a common issue we can deal with. We do this repair all the time. And we're going to fix your sanctuary because, again, it's the most important asset they have. So in my off time, I actually play guitar. We do a lot of boating. We go out to Lake Pleasant all the time. I prefer to go out there at night when it's less busy. And then we have a nice pool in the backyard too. I spend a lot of time in that in the summer as well. So we moved out here about 11 years ago to be closer to our first grandchild. Now that since I've been out here, we've increased that to 7 grandchildren, and all of them live out in this area. So it's kind of nice to be that close to family and really enjoy being here in Arizona now. Hey, if you made this far for the video, I'm glad you got a chance to learn more about me and my background. And again, if you have any issues with your foundation, sidewalks, driveways, retaining walls, anything like that, make sure to give Dalinghaus Construction a call so we can take a look at the issue and give you a good solution for it. Feel free to call us or visit our website at dalinghausconstruction.com.